Struggling with dull, dangerous knives that ruin your meal prep? The ultimate 4-in-1 professional sharpener kit brings the edge back to your kitchen. The revolutionary 3-stage system does it all. The diamond rod repairs damage, the tungsten slot restores the perfect V-shape, and the ceramic stone delivers a mirror-like polish. With a non-slip base and an included cut-resistant glove, you can sharpen with total confidence and zero risk. Ergonomically designed for both right and left-handed users, this durable ABS plastic sharpener makes old blunt blades perform like brand new in just seconds. Meet the Ninja Crispi, the ultimate 4-in-1 system that lets you cook, crisp, and store all in one. Featuring the revolutionary palm-size Power Pod, it delivers professional air-frying power across multiple container sizes. From a personal 7-minute meal to a 4-pound whole chicken, the PFAS-free Clean Crisp borosilicate glass containers ensure your food is healthy, delicious, and free of harmful PTFE. Experience total versatility with Max Crisp, Bake, Air Fry, and Recrisp modes. With heat-safe feet to protect your counters and leak-proof lids for on-the-go meal prep. Still struggling with manual vegetable cutters that leave your arms tired and your fries uneven? Professional electric French fry cutter, ultimate labor-saving solution for both busy commercial kitchens and home cooking enthusiasts. The high-quality sharp blades glide through potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and even apples with ease. Designed with safety and simplicity in mind, the one-button control features forward, backward, and circular modes. It is so easy and safe to operate that even the elderly can use it without hassle. Tired of waking up the whole house just for a morning cup of joe? Introducing the Chardor One-Touch Coffee Grinder, the ultimate kitchen companion that operates at just 60 dB. Whether it is coffee beans, spices, or herbs, get the perfect grind every time with a simple press-to-start motion. One tool, endless possibilities, from cinnamon and nuts to flax seeds and coarse salt. Transform your kitchen chaos into perfect order with the LifeWit Extra-Large Silverware Drawer Organizer. It is designed to reclaim your space. Featuring an expandable width from 13 to 22.4 inches, this versatile tray seamlessly adapts to fit almost any drawer size in your home. With 8 dedicated compartments, you can easily sort, identify, and grab exactly what you need without the frustration of rummaging. Built from premium BPA-free material, it is not only safe for your family's tableware, but also sturdy enough to last for years.